Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning wants homeowners in Cedar Rapids to understand what variable speed means in HVAC systems. Variable speed technology is more than a buzzword. It is a feature that can transform your home's comfort, energy use, and air quality. Unlike traditional systems that blast on and off at full power, variable speed HVAC systems adjust their output gradually. This means your heating and cooling runs at different speeds, delivering custom comfort and efficiency instead of just on or off. With variable speed, you get consistent temperatures, quieter operation, and improved humidity control. These systems can remove about 4 times more moisture from the air than single-stage models. Plus, running at just 50% capacity uses around 75% less energy than older systems, saving you money on energy bills every year. While variable speed systems cost more upfront, many homeowners find the long-term savings and comfort improvements worthwhile. Novak offers discounts and financing to make upgrades easier, and their expert team ensures every installation meets your needs. For questions or to schedule your consultation, call Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning at 319-364-4626. Choose Novak for reliable, efficient comfort.